Hey guys, this is Oches TV. Welcome on board. In today's video, I'm gonna give a quick tutorial on how to draw fluffy eyebrows. Fluffy eyebrows are those kind of eyebrows that look so natural. When you put on your makeup, your eyebrows should always look natural and outstanding. Gone are those days where you draw eyebrows like this, darkened brows like this, like this, like this, you know. Some people take our time to make sure they darken it so well. If you have been doing this, you are getting it all wrong. So stick to this channel to watch the full video of how to draw fluffy celebrity eyebrows that will always get you off. Keep watching. So let's get started. If you want to get a very fluffy light eyebrows, you need to sharpen your pencil so well. Look at this, I've sharpened it. You need to sharpen it very well. Then it doesn't matter the color you use, the color of your eye pencil. Everybody make their choices differently. What you like could be different from what another person likes. So for this is Davy's eye pencil. Davy's eye pencil color 003. So make sure it is well sharpened. Then draw a stroke down. So let me have a mirror. So draw a stroke down. A really nice stroke. Now make sure the second stroke shouldn't be in the same line as this. It should be maybe in the middle, like from this point. Make it very nice. Now, next is to draw strokes on your hairline. Draw some strokes like this. It is very easy to achieve. Just take your time. Make sure it is light. Make sure the strokes are light, not dark. So now it is time to highlight. So I'm gonna get my concealer. You can use any concealer you like, but this is the best concealer to me. LA Girl concealer. So I apply some of the concealer here on the back of my palm. Then this is Pop Fill. I use Pop Fill makeup. Okay, this is Pop Fill makeup kit right here with all the makeup tools inside. So this time to conceal and highlight my brows. Another thing I do is I don't use the same concealer for underneath it and this for up here. I use my foundation because the skin has to look the same after you apply foundation so that the eyebrow can look more natural. This is my foundation. Take a little on the back of your palm. So I'm applying foundation now. Start from here. So this is Poly Brush. It is also a pop fill product. So you brush the front like this to blend it, to make it look more natural. Okay. So now there's a method I use. So you have to use the tip of your brush to apply a little of your foundation on the lines to create the fake lines like this. So that to make it look natural, your foundation is better because we are trying to create a natural look. So your skin foundation gives a more natural look. Can you see that? So we'll do same on the other side. Just like this. This is Pop Fill Waterproof Eyebrow Set. This is it right here. Pop Fill Waterproof Eyebrow Set. So it makes your brow looks more natural and sticky. Like you can even clean it and it will not go. So let me get my mirror. When you are setting using the eyebrow set, make sure it doesn't get to this point because it has to look more natural. So just apply a little on it like this. So we are good to go. So let's can now use foundation brush to arrange it, to wipe off the excess foundation and concealer. So as you can see, eyebrows is not as hard as people think it is. It's so easy to achieve within seconds. So take a deep look at it. So you can now decide to apply your eyeshadow. So right now I'm applying foundation to my eyes so I can get that cool look. So I think I'm going to give you free tutorials on how to apply foundation, eyeshadow right now. So I also use Pop Fill. Pop Fill products are the best. So let me use my mirror. So guys, this is how I draw my fluffy eyebrows. I hope you liked the video and I hope you learned something there. Just like people cook different meals different ways, that is how makeup is. Everybody has their own ways of doing makeup tutorials, so mine could be different from yours. I would love it if you drop a comment and also like, and I'm going to drop a video on how to achieve beautiful everyday casual makeup. So stick to this channel to always receive updates. Thank you for watching. Bye.